Morning routine. Emma, breakfast is ready. Pancakes with maple syrup, just the way you like them. Thanks, Mom. They smell amazing. Is that cinnamon I smell? Good nose. I added a pinch to make it more festive. December deserves a little extra warmth, don't you think? Oh, what does festive mean? Good question, Emma. It means something that's cheerful and makes you think of celebrations or holidays. Like these pancakes, they remind us of Christmas and winter, right? Wow, so interesting.
And coffee for the grown-ups. Morning, Emma. Ready for school?
I guess. But do you think I could skip today and just start the holiday break early?
Nice try, but school doesn't work that way. Speaking of holidays, we should finalize our plans for Christmas.
Emma, any ideas? Can we do something different this year? Like maybe volunteer somewhere? Volunteer? That's a wonderful idea. Where did this come from? Our teacher talked about giving back during the holidays. She said it makes you feel connected and grateful.
That's true. We could help at the community centre. They're organising a food drive for families in need.
Great idea. And we could bake some of my famous cookies to donate. Okay, I'm full and ready to go. Thanks for breakfast, Mom.
Let's head out. I'll drop you off at school before my meeting.
Have a great day, sweetheart. Evening walk. Look at that house, Mom, Dad. They've got reindeer on the roof and lights everywhere. It's so pretty. Wow, they really went all out this year. It looks magical, doesn't it?
Magical and maybe a little over the top. How do you think they get the reindeer up there?
Maybe they used a crane, or Santa helps them. Santa's got better things to do than decorate rooftops, Emma. Dad, what's that smell? It's so good.
I think it's someone roasting chestnuts. That's a classic winter snack.
Chestnuts? I've never had those. Are they sweet? Not really sweet, but they're warm and nutty. We can try some at the Christmas market this weekend. That's great! The snow feels so soft tonight. I love it when it snows like this.
It's peaceful, isn't it? Quiet streets, soft snow. It feels like the world slows down.
This is my favorite part of winter. Everything feels calm and cozy. An unforgettable memory. Do you have any unforgettable memories, Alex?
Yeah, I have one that's quite scary.
Really? Tell me about it.
It happened a few years ago during a camping trip.
What happened?
My friends and I got lost in the woods at night.
Did you find your way back?
Eventually, yes, but it felt like we were being watched.
How did you manage?
We stayed together and followed the stars.
That's clever and a bit spooky.
What about you, Emily? Any unforgettable memory?
Yes, mine is also a bit scary.
I'm listening.
It was during a thunderstorm. My car broke down. I was alone and it was pitch dark outside.
Did you get help?
Yes, but before help arrived, I saw something strange.
What did you see?
A shadowy figure outside, moving fast in the storm.
That must have been scary.
Yes, I was so shocked that my heart skipped a beat.
I wonder what or who that was.
Me too, but that might never be answered.
It's amazing how these experiences stay with us.
I know, they shape us in unexpected ways.
True, I've learned to appreciate the safety of home.
And I've learned to always be prepared for emergencies.
It's good to share these stories.
Absolutely.
Stomachache. Mommy, I'm not feeling good. What's the matter, Susie? You didn't have a good time at the birthday party? It was a lot of fun for sure, but suddenly my stomach hurts. Oh no, did you eat a lot of food at the party? Maybe it's like that. What did you have for dinner? Pizza, cake, ice cream, and potato chips. That is a lot of food. In addition, I had a Coke, cookies, and popcorn. That's why your stomach hurts, Susie. You ate too much. Why did you consume so much? It was time to eat, and everything looked delectable. Susie, I believe you should rest for a bit. Yes, Mother. Where are you going, Susie? I need to use the restroom first. Lost dog.
What's wrong with you? You look so sad. Oh, hi, Mark. Our dog's gone missing. Someone opened the gate and he was gone. Oh, no, that's bad. Let me help you find the dog. Thank you so much. My kid is really unhappy right now. Have you contacted any local dog shelters? They said they haven't seen our dog. They promised to contact me if they found our dog. How can I identify your dog? On the dog's neck was a collar with its name on it. Our dog's name is Rusty. That's great. Should we print some flyers to distribute around the neighborhood? That's exactly what my wife's doing right now. How old is your dog? He's 4 years old, brown, with white spots. I know what he looks like this. Right, but I'm just worried he's kidnapped or injured. I get what you mean. He's a member of your family. Yes, he is an important member of our family. We adopted him when he was a puppy. Phil, look behind you. Is that your dog? Yeah, it's Rusty.
Asking for a dog.
Can we have a dog, Dad? We've talked about this before. You said you would buy me a dog when I grew up. Having a dog comes with a lot of responsibilities. I know, I can take care of it. You must walk him, feed him, wash him, and play with him. I swear I'll do all of those things. All right, but I need to speak with your mother first. Please don't do that. You know she doesn't like dogs. If you tell her, she won't agree to buy a dog. That's because she's very afraid of dogs. What makes her afraid of dogs? When she was a youngster, she was bitten by a dog. Oh, I see. But what if we get a puppy? We can train it not to bite. Okay, I'll think about it. Did you ever have a dog as a child, Dad? Yes, I wasn't old enough to take care of him then. How old were you then? 12 years old. Dad, I'm 13 years old now. I can take care of the dog. All right, I believe in you, son.
Can I borrow a pen, please? Excuse me, Sarah. Can I borrow a pen, please?
Of course, Brian, here's a pen. Do you need it for long?
Just for a quick note. I'll return it in a few minutes. Thank you.
No problem. Are you preparing for the meeting later?
Yes, I need to jot down some points for the presentation. Do you have any tips?
Just be clear and concise, and it's always good to have a summary at the end.
That's helpful advice. I'll make sure to include a summary.
Also, try to anticipate any questions they might ask.
Good idea. I'll think about potential questions. I appreciate your help, Sarah.
You're welcome, Brian. Good luck with your presentation.
Thanks. I might need it. Here's your pen back.
Thanks for returning it. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
What page are we on? Hi, Lily. I just joined the class. What page are we on?
Hi, Mike. We're on page 42 in the middle of chapter 5.
Thanks, Lily. It looks like I have some catching up to do. Is this chapter difficult?
It's not too bad. It's about basic grammar rules. Have you studied this before?
A little bit. I might need to review some parts, though. Do you understand it well?
I think so. If you have questions, I can try to help. We can study together if you like.
That would be great. The library sounds like a good idea.
We can go together today if you're free.
I'd like that. Thanks for helping me out, Lily.
No problem, Mike.
Favorite subject at school?
Emma, what's your favorite subject at school?
I love science. It's so fascinating.
Really? I find science confusing.
I enjoy experiments and learning about nature.
I prefer history. It's exciting to learn about the past.
History? All those dates and events?
Yes, it's like time travel.
I get bored with history. Too many old stories.
But they're true stories, like ancient adventures.
I guess that's one way to see it.
So what do you like most about science?
The mystery, discovering new things.
I think history has mysteries too.
Maybe, but science has cool experiments.
True. I just can't handle the formulas.
They're not so bad once you get them.
I'll stick to my historical battles and stories.
And I'll keep exploring the universe in science.
Let's agree that both subjects can be cool.
Agreed. Maybe I'll pay more attention in history now.
And I'll try not to fall asleep in science class.
Deal. Let's make school more fun.
Shopping for winter essentials.
Emma, your coat is too small now. We need to get you a new one before it gets even colder. Can we go to the mall? I saw this really nice jacket online last week. It looked warm and cool at the same time.
That's fine. But before we go, let's make a shopping list. What else do we need?
Gloves for everyone. Oh, and maybe some scarves too. I also want to pick up a few decorations for the holidays.
And food? Don't you always say we need to stock up for winter, Mom?
You're absolutely right, Emma. We should get things like hot chocolate, marshmallows, and maybe some soup ingredients.
That's a good idea. Plus, we can grab snacks for our movie night. Winter weekends are perfect for staying cozy at home.
Shopping isn't tiring, is it? We'll visit 3 different stores.
Okay, challenge accepted. But can I pick the first store?
Sure, just make sure it has good sales. We don't want to overspend.
Agreed. Speaking of sales, we should check for holiday discounts. Many stores offer deals at this time of year.
I'll keep an eye out for buy one, get one free deals. That's the best, right?
Exactly. Those are great for winter essentials like gloves.
All right, everyone, bundle up. It's freezing outside, and the wind is strong today.
Got it. I'm grabbing my scarf and hat now.
Let's also bring reusable shopping bags. They're better for the environment.
Good thinking, Mike. Okay, everyone ready?
Ready? Let's shop till we drop. Just kidding.
Let's see who lasts the longest.
Let's head out and find the best winter gear for the family. Shopping experiences.
Have you gone to the new mall yet?
Yes, it's huge. I got lost twice.
Really? That's funny. What did you buy?
I went for shoes, but ended up buying a hat.
A hat? How did that happen?
I saw it and couldn't resist. It's so cute.
Last time I went for groceries and came back with a video game.
That's even more random.
The mall has everything. I get distracted easily.
Me too. There are so many shops.
Did you see that new electronics store?
Yes, I spent an hour just looking at gadgets.
Gadgets are fun. Did you buy any?
No, I managed to control myself this time.
That's impressive. I always end up buying something.
What's the funniest thing you've ever bought?
A singing fish for my bathroom. Don't ask why.
That's hilarious. Does it sing in the shower?
Yes, and it scares my cat every time.
Poor cat. What about clothes shopping?
I prefer online shopping for clothes. Less hassle.
I like trying things on, for the fit.
Makes sense. I just guess my size and hope for the best.
That's risky. What if it doesn't fit?
Then back to the post office it goes.
Shopping is an adventure for you, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's like a treasure hunt.
Next time, let's go together. I want to see this in action.
Deal. It'll be like a shopping festival.
Can't wait. See you then. Busy day cleaning. Hello, Sally. How are you doing today?
Hello, Karen. I have a lot to accomplish today.
What do you have to do?
I have a lot of work to do, like doing laundry, as well as vacuuming the whole house and cleaning the kitchen.
That's a lot of work to accomplish. Why don't you start doing some of it tomorrow?
My mother will visit me tonight. I need to clean up before my mom comes.
I got it.
She likes a clean and tidy home.
I get what you're saying. My mother is also incredibly tidy and well organized.
I should have begun a few days ago, but I was too busy with work.
Why isn't your husband assisting you?
He did assist me. Yesterday he mowed the yard, cleaned all of the bathrooms, and set up the guest room.
Wow, he accomplished a lot as well.
Now I also need to buy some supplies.
What a hectic day. Do you need any help from me?
No, that's okay.
I'm not really busy after work today. I can help you.
So can you help me buy food? I have listed all the necessary foods.
Sure, I'll do it after my shift is over.
Thank you so much. You are so nice.
We are a neighborhood. Don't be so formal.